This tutorial is about the anatomy of the heart. The heart consists of four chambers, a right atrium and right ventricle anteriorly. If we rotate this model, then we've got the left ventricle and left atrium posteriorly. The heart is a muscular organ that looks like a pyramid shaped. So we've got three surfaces of the heart: a sternocostal surface that lies anteriorly, a diaphragmatic surface that lies inferiorly. And if we rotate this model, then we've got the base of the heart that lies posteriorly. Then we've got the apex of the heart that's directed downward and forward and to the left. So the sternocostal surface is formed by the right atrium and the right ventricle. The diaphragmatic surface is formed by the right and the left ventricles. And if we rotate this model, the base of the heart, which is formed by the left atrium, into which opens the four pulmonary veins. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a deeper look at the chambers of the heart.